To see you that you're here physically present. Mr. Chair, I would like to ask Engineer Corminal, since we sent letter to his office dated October 22, 2024, the City Council is asking for the updates of the commitments of the private institutions, all the complete plans, terms of reference, updates all the contracts, all updates of all the buildings, and the program of works and estimates, statement of work accomplishments, actual work done versus work program to complete the Cebu City Medical Center. The Office of the City Engineer is seeking approval and instruction from the Office of the Mayor with regards to the request of the City Council to appear in the executive session. There being above-mentioned documents, no? So, muni ang iyang, muni imong kuan, no? Nangayo ka og kuan? Nangayo kag approval, guidance sa Office of the Mayor. And on the second request, ang nangayo ta to request the DEPW to submit the POE for the completion of the 3rd, 4th, to 6th floor of Cebu City Medical Center on or before October 15, 2024, to request the acting department city engineer and public works to submit a written explanation as to why bidding has been set without the City Council resolution approving the program of works and estimates, as well as the resolution charging it to the existing appropriations for Cebu City Medical Center. So, ang city engineer is seeking guidance and direction from the Office of the Mayor with regards to the request from the Sangguniang Panglungsod. So, on 2 items, nangayo ka o guidance sa Mayor. Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Why are you asking
First,
guidance from the city mayor when you are the
First and
department head
foremost.
of the Department of DEPW?
Yes, first and foremost, I would like to greet everyone. Good morning to the members of the August body and to our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Don Ontiveros. I would just like also to state that, yes, I am present now, but on the previous invitation, I was also here 4 weeks consecutive, but we were not called upon because you are only seeking the presence, the statement of CMS and the CCMC on the tripartite agreement. So, with regards to the question of the Honorable Councilor, why I am seeking the instruction or directions from the City Mayor, because you are seeking or you're requesting for the program of works and estimates of the Phase 4, I believe, or Phase 5? Phase 4.
I would like to repeat this again, Mr. Chair. The City Council is asking for the updates of the commitments of the private institutions. That's one. Finished na na. All the complete plans, terms of reference, updates of all the contracts, updates of all the buildings, and all the programs of works and estimates, statement of work accomplishment, actual work done versus work program to complete the Cebu City Medical Center. And your office is seeking approval and instruction from the Office of the Mayor with regards to the said request of the City Council. Now I'm asking you, why are you asking approval from or instruction from the Office of the Mayor with regards to the requests of the City Council?
Yes, Mr. Chair, may it be also put in record that those items from Phase 1, 2, 3, we have already submitted at prior. We have a receiving copy. Now for items 4 and 5, maybe you are asking for the program of works and estimates, especially for phase 5. Of course, we have to seek the direction or directive from the mayor, because on the processing of program of works and estimates, it is not included that we have to route for signatory or for approval a program of works and estimates of Cebu City projects, Mr. Chair, to the City Council, Mr. Chair.
It is not required that you will be submitting to our office?
Program of works and estimate, it is not, Mr. Chair.
We're asking from you. So if we are asking from you, it's just because it is not required, you're not giving us any information. Are you
Yes.
trying to tell us
I would like to, personally, I would like to submit, but it is not required. So that is, hence we are asking the direction of the mayor.
Of the
Mr. Chair.
mayor. Mo na nga.
remember, the reason why we have this executive session, because we want transparency and accountability. So if you are not transparent to us because you said it is not required, then you are very arrogant in telling us that.
I am merely seeking the instruction of my immediate head, Mr. Chair.
So, maula na ang reason nga, okay, nakuha na to. But then again, other items, as you mentioned, imo nang nasubmit dire. Because there was a time that you were here and Councilor Nestor required or asked for ang POWI ani, ang kaning 1.1, even katong phase, inyo nang gisubmit right after.
We have re-endorsed it again today or yesterday. I think today, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, if I may proceed first. You are asking guidance on your immediate boss, which is your executive head.
Yes,
The
which
mayor.
is the mayor.
May I ask you what is the response of your immediate head?
As of present, there has none, Mr. Chair.
When was the last time you were asking your immediate head about the request coming from the council?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr. Chair, when was our communication, but definitely when we receive the communication, if there is a date there on the SP resolution, we immediately seek the
Okay.
approval of the
Imo
mayor.
nagpahibaw din kaniya sa
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So, mahimo tang kuan ani Mr. Chair, no kay kani manggong branches sa government tulo manggod ni, the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. Unya, ang kaning executive ug maingon sila nga dili nila patubagon ang ilang mga tao sama anang gibuhat karon, no? Pila na di kay siya kay numdum. When was the last time nagstorya siya siyang immediate head? So siya, di man ni siya mutuo nato. Mga yuan tani bisag voluminous pa nga request atong ihatag aning engineer Corminal, di gyud mo hatag unless na ni clearance gikan sa iyang immediate head, which is only the mayor, no? So the mayor, remember, is representing the whole local government unit, the constituency of the city of Cebu. Remember, it is not only it is not only the minority who wants transparency and accountability. You owe it to the city of Cebu, to the constituency and the taxpayers of the city of Cebu. So I beg to disagree when you are telling me nga, why itubag ang among mayor, why itubag ang akong immediate head, dili ko mo tubag nimo. I will just snub you up to the nth time because mangayo ra gyud ko guidance ug unsay isulti sa mayor.
Thank you. Councilor Archival?
Mr. Chair, but we did submit, Mr. Chair, only the program of works and estimates for phase 5. We have to seek the instructions or directions from the mayor, Mr. Chair.
If you may, what is phase 5? Asa na nga portion?
Yeah, it is the proposed completion of the 1/3 of the 3rd floor, the 4th floor, the 5th floor, and the 6th floor, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Phase 5 is, again, 1/3 of the
3rd floor,
Third
the
floor.
4th floor, the 5th floor, and the 6th floor, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Mr. Chair, for the phase 5 engineer, you have all the POE for these floors,
We have, Mr. Chair.
and you're ready to present the POE to the council.
That is what we are seeking instruction and direction from the mayor. If we can present, if we can submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Councilor Archival?
Yeah, he was saying that he submitted the documents. Can we get the documents now? I'm going to seek it. Butang sa tuwangan.
We also submitted soft copy for the plans, Mr. Chair.
No. Give us the plans katong mga gipanghatag nimo. Katong
I
complete
think,
plans.
can you, ma-check ba sa attachment? Nadiri sa attachment.
No, I would like to check katong iyang isubmit nga katong hard copy. Kay kanang plano, di mo na pwede di mo tan-aw dire. And also the complete.
Saan may makakuhan sa...
Where is the plans?
We submitted soft copy, Mr. Chair. It's
No.
voluminous.
The plans that are being signed by the engineers that made it.
Yes,
Where
Mr.
is it?
Chair, we have a scanned copy for that, Mr. Chair.
Where is it?
Nadiri sa attachment?
Where is it?
Kasi maka-assist
No,
ni...
previously we submitted soft copy and hard copy, Mr. Chair.
Give me the summary of the things that you have submitted. Ayaw mi tagai og mga dokumento nga bisag saksak sinagol because you are an engineer. Because
Mr. Chair.
every time I ask something, you pass just to comply, but it's not complete. So where is that plan? I was asking you that give us the design plans being signed by the designer and give us the plans. The
There, you can see,
construction
Mr. Chair.
Mr.
Asa
Chair,
na?
is there? So those are the,
Okay, give us, tagai ko og plans lagi nga naa sa blueprint. Tagai ko ana kay di man mi makasabot in ana magistorya ra na. Tan-aw na ko because I want to get the details and also the programs of works and estimates which you have actually done.
Mr. Chair, I remember it was already presented by Engineer Tumolak when they were asked to present.
No, I don't understand that. There are plans, but these are not complete plans. They're submitted just to comply, nga pag-submit. Give us the rundown of the things that you have submitted. Because you cannot just simply pass plans which are just plans. And I think you have
Mao ni mo pasabot, kato, mao ni mo pasabot, Councilor Nestor. Kani ko no, Attorney Chap, kay naman ni katong giingon nga kinsa ang ni pirma.
Yeah, when is it signed? Where is the B documents?
Espina, si Marie Pablete, naani siya ay, ang kuan lang ang katulan sang phase 5 na to katong phase
No,
5.
it's not phase 5. Ang sugod yun. Ang pagsugod yun.
You mean ang katong gi-explain ni
Yes.
Engineer Tumulak?
Yes. Asa pagsugod. And
Kinsay maka-assist ni
where are the plans?
asa mas Ivan?
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Member Abellanosa.
For clarification lang, Mr. Chair, as asked by Member Guardo about the Phase 5 POE and documents, si DEPW head mismo answered that there are documents for that. So what is holding him back from giving what we requested, nga musik pa man siya guidance from the mayor, as head of DEPW?
Tubag ni mo, Engineer Carminal?
Yes, it is not a property or personal documents. It's the documents of the city. So I have to seek instruction
Clearance.
from the mayor. I hope
Yes.
you understand, Mr. Chair.
I hope also you understand, Mr. Chair, if I may speak, I hope you
Yes.
also understand that if this office, we are not asking this on a personal capacity, but we're asking this as office of the City Council. If we ask a document coming from your office, I think it is just but right and proper for you also to submit what we are asking for. I mean, this is a public document. So why are you holding on that document?
Precisely, I'm not holding it personally. Precisely, I'm seeking the approval of the mayor. So what I can do, Mr. Chair, is to seek for it again, Mr. Chair, after this session. So I can immediately furnish the body.
What is your reason? Ngano ba? Why? Nganong di man nimo mahatag na reason or what?
There is no reason, but it is proper.
Secret?
Because, as I've told earlier, it is not part of the process to
Present it to the
to
council.
submit program of works and estimates to the council for approval, Mr. Chair.
So we'll proceed katong gipangayo ni Councilor
Sumpay
Archibald.
naman yun, Dani. Mga isag kanang clarifications giyakan sa iyang amo